Arrive in style with this Ford 2017 Escape Titanium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear view camera, rear view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, blind spot sensor, memorized settings includes driver seat, memorized settings number of drivers, 2, phone voice activated, stability control and electronic messaging assistance with read function. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.